Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two highly rated mini washers, one with a 15-liter capacity and the other with a 16-liter capacity. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and travel. We'll dive into their features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best option for your laundry needs. Let's start with capacity. The 15L upgraded mini washer is perfect for small loads, making it suitable for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. On the other hand, the 16L upgraded large capacity washer offers a bit more room, allowing you to wash slightly larger loads or more items at once. This can be a significant advantage for families or those who frequently do laundry. Next, let's discuss design. The 15L model is compact and foldable, making it easy to store and transport. Its sleek design fits well in small spaces. In contrast, the 16L model also boasts a foldable design, but features a slightly larger footprint, which may be beneficial for those who prioritize capacity over compactness. Both machines are designed with user convenience in mind. Finally, let's talk about price. Both the 15L and 16L portable washing machines are priced at an affordable $69. This makes them accessible options for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine without breaking the bank. With similar pricing, the choice may come down to capacity and design preferences. In conclusion, both the 15L and 16L portable washing machines offer great features for their price. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs regarding capacity and design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.